Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Jamesedition, luxury real estate and items marketplace, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Jamesedition is a global luxury marketplace designed for discovering and purchasing premium real estate, supercars, yachts, private jets, fine jewelry, watches, and other high-end collectibles. It brings together verified sellers and serious buyers in one platform, making it easier to explore multimillion-dollar listings worldwide. The app is available on both iOS and Android and provides detailed product pages, pricing insights, seller contact options, and curated categories across multiple luxury segments. The app's main feature is its powerful search and filtering system. You can browse luxury homes by country, city, price, features, or architectural style, and explore vehicles, yachts, or collectibles using advanced filters. It also allows users to save listings, compare items, follow categories, and directly message trusted sellers. In addition, Jamesedition highlights exclusive listings, rare items, and premium market trends to help users make well-informed decisions. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, verified listings, and global coverage. The app is popular among luxury buyers, investors, collectors, and enthusiasts due to its broad range of high-end products and reliability of sellers. Its curated marketplace makes it easier for users to browse exclusive items that are not easily available on general listing platforms. However, there are some drawbacks. Some regions may have fewer listings compared to major markets, and pricing information can occasionally depend on direct communication with sellers. In addition, the app does not facilitate direct transactions, meaning negotiations and due diligence must be handled manually outside the app. In summary, the Jamesedition app may be worth using if you want a trusted place to browse worldwide luxury real estate, exotic cars, yachts, and unique collectibles with verified sellers and premium search tools. However, if you prefer direct in-app purchasing or broader budget-friendly options, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.